Here we are yet again in the garage, about to do something stupid. Not stupid, I like this little stuff. We're gonna do a little thing on the 21 Ultra, but first, a couple housekeeping announcements and bits of excitement. So first, I realized that we'd never said this other than in the live, but congratulations to Michael Parrish. He won the Advanblack credit that we did when we did the Reaper Tour Pack light install. His story was the funniest. The wife cracked up, so I was able to tell her that's who won. And found out that he's getting some lowers. So, and he's not doing the light. He's actually got a Road King and is getting some painted to match lowers for his bike. So congrats, Michael. You're going to enjoy those. Get a little rain and coldness off your legs there. I don't know, stupid, whatever. But a package came today, something I had forgotten about we talked about doing. So you've seen me do a liner in my King pack there a long time ago. I did the black one with the red stitch. You can find out forever ago. But I'm running a chopped pack right now. That. And it's kind of rattly because it's just plastic right now, right? It's just a, raw plastic sort of inside. And the boss at Advanblack sent me a liner for this. So I go ahead and put that in. And that'll be cool. I mean, these are really nice little upgrades. I forgot the other bit of housekeeping I needed to, I suck at this. You may have seen the video I did earlier this week. So today, just so you know, to keep things straight, it's January the 12th. Yesterday, the 11th, but this will drop on Friday. Anyway, next Friday, the 21st, we'll be announcing a winner for the Coastal Moto pipe. So I'll put the link down below, but yesterday, the 11th, I debuted, I don't know, I can't keep this shit straight. We put some Coastal Moto mufflers on my wife's 19 CVO Road Glide. Coastal Moto mufflers are made by Chromeworks, a brand you've heard of, but these are their private label. Cool tips on them, say Coastal Moto, etc. And Coastal Moto's Florida, not far from my house. Nice guys, like them a lot, and they make great wheels. Actually, the wheels that are on that bike are Coastal Moto. Anyway, they make mufflers now. They sent me a set, put them on the CVO just to try them out. Did a sound recording. They have a 15% off discount, which is Pro Monkey, capital P, capital M, or not. Doesn't seem to matter. It seems to work. 15% off their mufflers, not wheels, mufflers. So if you're just looking to pick up a set, check that video out, and then go to coastalmoto.com to order theirs with the Pro Monkey code. But the ones they sent me, I was never intending on keeping. I'm giving them away. So go to that video about the Coastal Moto mufflers if you have a 2017 and up dresser. So a Road King, a Road Glide, an Ultra Classic, a Street Glide, whatever. If you have two pipes sticking out from under your hard painted bags, 2017 and up, these mufflers will fit. These are chrome, so you have a blacked out bike. Maybe you want chrome mufflers, whatever. You do you, boo-boo. Comment on that video why you earn them, why you should win them. And then on the 21st, the missus is going to pick the one she thinks is the funniest reason. Then we'll make that announcement on a live that night on the 21st. And then I, on my dime, will box these up and ship them to you. But thanks again to Coastal Moto, because that was a really cool, fun thing to do. I like giving stuff away. It's a blast. But anyway, so now let's get on to the Tour Pack liner. So this video is going to be more about like how this just looks nice. It's not much of an install video because there's not much to this. So you can see right now, let me pull this box out of here. My Tour Pack is, it's a chopped Advanblack Tour Pack. You can see it's just, raw, whatever it's not plastic, whatever the hell they make this thing out of. It's rigid as hell. So, but it's sort of unfinished. And an option they have is a liner, which you got right here. And it's not much to it. You've got your double-sided sort of, I'm going to say Velcro, even though I think there's a trademark issue there. But anyway, so there's a Velcro roll that's really good. And you got the liner itself. Let go. Come out of here, son of a. Do as I want. There you go. Which I went black on black because the bike's very black. Black and chrome. It's not blacked out. Black and chrome. And I got, of course, the Advanblack Cobra seat, which is black on black. So I wanted to match. So, although now I realize that the liner in my Tour Pack's red. I'm not coordinated. Screw it. So let's go ahead and put this in. I mean, you already know how this is going to go. I mean, we're going to cut the Velcro, and we're going to put it around the inside of the lid. We're going to put it around the inside of the bucket right here, and we're going to stick it on there. And then we're going to have to take this off. Does that have to come off? Probably does, I'm sure. Or maybe it doesn't. We'll find out in a second. And then we're going to have to probably take that off from this side, which do little Torx screws. Is it Torx? Am I lying? I might be lying. Well, they're Phillips. So 2 little Phillips screws and pop that off, and we'll stick this in. So I'll be back in a minute because this is not hard. So they give you tons of this stuff, so this is easy. And it's a perfect job for me because it requires 0 precision, which I have none. So they give you, see, a ton of that stuff. That's what's left. And all you're doing is running. Stuff's super sticky. So you're running along the top of the edges, down in the recesses, because it actually does have stitching. You'll see there's a panel here that makes this sit right. It's not just a, you know, a bucket of cloth. It's cut perfectly to fit the tour pack. So around there, all the lips of the tour pack, you know, cut it there, because the liner does actually just sit in front of that. There's no hole. So you're just running that and that. I'll throw this in here a second, peel it back, and we'll unscrew this so we can do the tape up here and stick the lid liner too. So, and there you have it. So couple things I've known, again, that king pack right there has the same liner in it, obviously for a king pack, with the red stitch. This is the black on black. They have it in this stitch here I'm talking about. Red, I think orange and blue, maybe even green. There's a couple colors you can get, but go check that out. But you see the cuts are right for all the little ridges inside the pack. Right now, if you're going, well, it's sitting a little, it's, you know, what about these folds and stuff? You could actually put this in the driveway for a little bit, you know, before you put it in there. I didn't do that because it was raining when I started this. But a few days of riding and warmth, and the first day you're in the sun and this tour pack sits there and gets hot, this sucker, in a good way, is just going to melt down into those corners. So it really does. My red one is absolutely perfect. So I have no doubt that, you know, these wrinkles and stuff, all the stuff's going to go away, and it's going to look like it was just sprayed in there. It really is a really nice piece. So I'll put the link to this. Again, they get a bunch of different colors. You can get it for the razor pack. You can get it for the king pack or the chopped pack. Let's look at the lid. It's dark. You can't. Sorry. Well, you can kind of see. Goes around, you know, the ridge that's in the lid. Sits right down in that corner perfectly. And again, when this heats up, all these little, you know, not straighty pieces, they're just gonna, you know, fall into place with some heat. So perfect. Looks really nice. And now stuff's not gonna rattle around. It's a serious concern. This is padded, so it's a serious concern when you got if you're a freaking YouTube geek like me these days, and you got a GoPro and you got your little compressor. I have one of those little compressors that's USB that lives in here, and a couple little things like that, stuff for the organization I'll not be named. It's just rattling around against that plastic, and stuff does get marred up. Glasses, for example, if you leave a pair of glasses in a tour pack with no liner, it's just going to mar up the lenses and stuff rattling around. So this will prevent that. So there you go. So again, it fits my overall theme of either coffin or Turkish brothel. I haven't decided which one I'm after, but I'm pretty sure it gives that house of ill repute in a far off country kind of feel. I don't know, just my thoughts. But let me know what you think down in the comments. I'll put the link. Hope you're all doing well out there. We're all stuck at home still. Not a lot going on. I mean, waiting for March. I know that you guys are suffering up north in the colder parts of the country. So stick together. This is the kind of thing you go out and do, even though it's cold in the garage, because it took me, I don't know, 15 minutes. It's not a big deal. So take care of each other out there. We'll talk real soon. Bye.